Welcome to Studio X English Podcast. I am Lena, and I am very happy you are here.
And I am Eric. It feels great to spend this time together.
Before we continue, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more English practice.
Your support really helps us, and it helps your English grow every day.
Today, we start with a very simple topic. A topic everyone talks about every day.
Oh, really? That sounds interesting already.
Yes, we are talking about the weather. The weather is everywhere in our lives.
I see. People talk about weather all the time.
Exactly. It is an easy and safe topic.
That's true. You can talk about weather with anyone.
With friends, neighbors, or coworkers, even with people you just meet.
Wow, that makes weather very powerful.
Yes, and it is perfect for English learners. No pressure and no difficult words.
That sounds great. Simple English feels more comfortable.
Many learners feel nervous when speaking. Weather helps reduce that fear.
I understand. It feels natural and friendly.
You can start with one simple sentence. For example, it is sunny today.
Oh, that is very easy. Anyone can say that.
Exactly. You do not need long sentences.
That makes me feel relaxed. English feels closer already.
Weather words are very common. People hear them every day.
Like sunny or rainy, hot or cold.
Yes, these words appear in daily life.
On the phone, on the news.
And in small conversations outside, at the bus stop or in a shop.
That's interesting. Weather opens conversations naturally.
It also helps you practice listening. People say these words clearly.
I see. Clear words are easier to remember.
Today, we will move slowly and calmly. No rush at all.
That feels good. Learning should feel safe.
So let's stay relaxed together and enjoy this conversation.
Yes, let's move forward naturally.
Today, we talk about something very simple, the weather we see around us.
Yes, the weather outside right now.
This is the easiest place to start because everyone can see it.
I agree. You just look outside the window.
Exactly, and then you describe what you see.
That feels easy already. No imagination needed.
For example, you see the sun, you can say it is sunny.
Short and clear. Very comfortable.
If there are many clouds, you say it is cloudy.
I see. One word changes the meaning.
Yes, weather words are very direct.
What about rain? People talk about rain a lot.
True, you can say it is rainy today.
Or, it is raining now. Both sound natural.
Exactly. Both are used in daily life.
And when there is wind, we say it is windy.
Yes, you can feel the wind on your face.
That helps memory. Feeling and language connect.
Very good point. The body helps the brain remember.
What about snow? Some learners live in cold places.
Then you say it is snowy. The ground is white and cold.
Children usually love that. Snow feels exciting.
Yes, weather also brings emotions.
Sunny feels happy. Rainy feels calm.
Exactly. You can share feelings too.
Like saying, I like sunny days.
Or, I do not like rainy mornings.
That sounds very real. People talk like that every day.
You can also talk about temperature. Hot, warm, cool, or cold.
Hot is summer. Cold is winter.
Yes, warm and cool are in between.
Warm feels comfortable. Cool needs a light jacket.
Perfect explanation. Simple and clear.
Talking about today's weather feels safe and friendly.
That is why it's a great start. Easy words build confidence.
Confidence makes speaking easier. Fear slowly disappears.
And this way, English feels more natural.
Yes, like real-life conversation.
Weather is not only information. It is also about feelings.
That is true. Weather changes our mood.
For example, a sunny day often feels happy.
Yes, people smile more on sunny days.
You can say, I feel happy today because it is sunny.
That sounds very natural, like real conversation.
On rainy days, feelings can be different.
Sometimes calm, sometimes a little tired.
Exactly. You can say, I feel sleepy today.
And then add, because it is rainy.
That connects reason and feeling. Very useful.
Weather is also great for small talk, short and friendly talk,
Yes, you can talk to anyone.
like neighbors or people at work.
For example, you say, nice weather today, right?
And the other person says, yes, it feels great.
Simple. No pressure at all.
What about bad weather? People talk about that too.
Of course. You can say, it is very cold today.
Or, the wind is very strong.
Yes, and people usually agree.
Complaining together feels friendly. It connects people.
That is very true. Weather talk builds connection.
I notice people talk about weather before serious topics.
Yes, it warms up the conversation.
So weather is like a bridge, a friendly bridge.
Beautiful way to say it. A bridge between people.
Learners often feel nervous. Weather helps them relax.
Because there is no wrong answer. Everyone sees the same sky.
That feels safe. No fear of mistakes.
You can also talk about preferences, what weather you like.
Like saying, I like cool weather.
Or, I do not like hot days.
Those sentences feel personal, but still very easy.
That is the beauty of weather talk. Simple, personal, natural.
Confidence grows quietly this way, one sentence at a time.
And English slowly feels friendly, not scary anymore.
Now we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, what kind of weather makes you feel happy?
Weather also affects our daily plans, what we do each day.
Yes, very true. Plans often change because of weather.
For example, on sunny days, people like to go outside.
They walk, meet friends, or sit in the park.
You can say, I want to go outside today.
Because the weather is nice. That sounds natural.
But rainy days feel different. Plans become quieter.
Yes, people stay at home more.
You can say, I will stay home today.
And maybe add, because it is raining.
That explains your choice clearly. Very simple English.
Weather is also important for clothes, what we wear.
Yes, on cold days, we wear jackets.
On hot days, we wear light clothes.
You can say, I need a jacket today.
Or, I do not need a coat today.
Those sentences are very common. People use them daily.
Weather also affects travel, buses, trains, and flights.
Yes, bad weather can cause delays.
You might hear, the train is late because of weather.
That happens often. Very real-life English.
Weather also matters for weekends. People plan ahead.
Yes, they check the weather forecast.
You can say, the weather will be sunny tomorrow.
Or, it might rain this weekend.
That helps planning activities like picnics or shopping.
Weather connects to future talk, not only today.
I see. It helps practice future sentences.
Exactly. Simple future, simple words.
Like, I will stay home if it rains.
Very good example. Clear and useful.
Talking about weather feels practical. It fits real life.
That is why learners need it. Everyday English.
And confidence grows naturally, without pressure.
Weather becomes a helpful tool for daily speaking.
And English slowly feels easier, day by day.
Weather also changes with seasons. Each season feels different.
Yes, seasons bring new moods and habits.
Let's start with summer. It is usually hot and bright.
Many people feel active. They enjoy long days.
You can say, I like summer because days are long.
That sounds natural. People say this often.
Summer is good for travel and outdoor activities.
But sometimes it is too hot. That can feel tiring.
Yes, you might say, it is too hot today.
That shows feeling and opinion. Very useful.
Autumn feels different. The air becomes cooler.
Many people feel calm in autumn. The colors change
You can say, I like autumn weather.
because it is cool and fresh. That sounds peaceful.
Winter is colder. Days are shorter.
Some people like winter. Others do not.
You might hear, I do not like cold weather.
Or, I enjoy snow and winter mites.
Those sentences show preference, very common in conversations.
Spring feels like a fresh start. Weather slowly gets warmer.
People feel happier in spring. Flowers begin to grow.
You can say, spring makes me feel positive.
That expresses emotion clearly, simple and real.
Seasons affect feelings a lot. Mood and energy.
Yes, weather and emotions connect.
This helps English learners. They talk about feelings easily.
Talking about seasons feels personal, but not difficult.
I agree. Everyone has a favorite season.
And everyone has reasons. Weather, mood, activities.
This makes conversation longer and more natural.
You share opinions, not just facts.
That is real communication, not textbook English.
Weather and seasons help speaking, slowly and comfortably.
And confidence grows with practice, very naturally.
Now it feels like a good time to slow down and gently review together.
Yes, review helps everything feel clear.
We used many simple weather words today, words from real life.
I like that. They are easy to remember.
Let's start with the word weather. Weather means sun, rain, wind, and temperature.
I see. It describes what the day feels like.
Next is sunny. Sunny means the sun is shining.
People feel happy on sunny days. That word feels positive.
Rainy is another word. Rainy means rain is falling.
Rainy days feel quiet. People stay inside more.
Cloudy means the sky has clouds. The sun is not clear.
Yes, the sky looks gray.
Windy means there is strong wind. You can feel air moving.
Windy days can feel cold, even in warm seasons.
Now temperature words. Hot, warm, cool, and cold.
Hot feels uncomfortable sometimes. Warm feels nice.
Cool is light cold. Cold feels strong.
Those words help describe feelings, not just facts.
We also used seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Each season brings different weather and different emotions.
We talked about forecast. Forecast means future weather.
People check it daily. Very common habit.
These words help you speak naturally in daily conversations.
Yes, they connect English to real life.
You do not need perfect sentences. Simple words are enough.
That makes learning feel calm, not stressful.
We are happy you stayed with us and listened till the end.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now tell us in the comments, what kind of weather do you enjoy the most and why?